Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Check the repacks, SFV or MD5 to ensure no corrupted files, and repair with quick par if errors appear. Once done, disable antivirus temporarily and add an exclusion for the installer folder so processes are not killed mid-run. Make sure you use a reliable extractor like 7-zip and extract to a short path such as C/games/temp. This avoids path length and permission issues that often break setup routines. You now run the setup as administrator and pick an install path with enough free space. This prevents write failures, especially on protected system drives. During install, allow bundled prerequisites like DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables to finish, because missing runtime components cause crashes. After setup finishes, apply the provided crack or launcher strictly in the order the author describes, and replace executables only when the installer is closed. This avoids signature and version mismatches that trigger runtime errors. You complete the process by launching the game once as administrator. If it is an older title, set compatibility to the appropriate OS and disable overlays. If it still crashes, check installer and game log files for missing DLLs or access denied errors, then reinstall the specific runtime shown. Finally, test the installation on a clean user account or a virtual machine to rule out user profile conflicts. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals permission or software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.